Welcome back to my final morning report. Charles Appraisal on Friday, the 6th of May, with me, Richard Penmarket, and Leicester Asset Markets. Let's look at gold, and we're seeing this consolidation as we are pretty much with all these sort of dollar-related assets. Gold is starting to consolidate, and you've seen this sort of drift lower following on from the breakout, but it's back into the support band. And I've been sort of expecting, or been talking about this support band between 1260 and 1282. For a few days now, and it seems to be holding on to that level. Yesterday's low of 1268.80 was sort of the support that came in, not a million miles off that key breakout level. That breakout level that we saw a couple of weeks ago above 1270, and sort of returned to that and starting to form support. Doji candle means your gold price is basically bang on flat today, no real direction whatsoever. But looking at these momentum indicators, I'm still sort of thinking that this is a nice little dip that could well be actually prove to be a buying opportunity. RSI nicely around 60. Stochastics did cross over, but just shallowing in their sort of correction. MACD line's still okay. I think that we could well be in the process of sort of beginning to form the new low, new higher low. And I think this slide that we've had in the last few days, which has left a bit of a sort of a negative drift. I think if you sort of broke back above 1289.30, which was Wednesday's high, I think that would re-engage the bulls certainly for a retest of the high at sorry, one more. There you go. The high at 1303.60. I think that's what you would see. And now, what would drive that? Possibly a weak payrolls report. Would drive dollar weakness and therefore subsequently gold strength. And I think that what we're seeing is just now consolidation in front of that payrolls report. If you saw a strong payrolls report, then I mean I would still be positive on this chart above 1225 really. 1225 being an old pivot on gold within this band. I think I'm still bullish. On gold above that level, and I think I think that there is now a sort of a different mindset that's leaving higher lows throughout and pushing out above that 1282 level. I think you're going to get consistent sort of sequence of higher lows continuing, and I think these momentum indicators are just ultimately unwinding a bit and going to produce that next higher low. So whether it happens today or not, I don't know. Obviously, the payroll support will create volatility. It would probably have to be an enormously strong payroll support to change the outlook, I think, materially on gold. But I don't necessarily see that happening. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again on Monday.